Hey everyone, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. The UMI 6562 reverse leveling kit for 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 truck. This leveling kit allows you to lower the back end of the truck up to 1.5 inches for two-wheel drive and then an extra 1.25 inches for four-wheel drive. It allows you to level the truck out so it looks a lot better sitting in the parking lot or driving down the highway. We have multi-position adjustable shackle here. This hole is the factory ride height hole, and then you have these two options for lowering. It has greasable Delrin bushings, nice and quiet. The Delrin is self-lubricating, but we also add the grease fitting and some grease channels to make it super quiet and a great addition to your ride. These spacers come with the kit. It allows you to reuse the factory U-bolts even when lowering the four-wheel drive truck, so included in the package. We also have a hardware kit, 6562 BK. If you have a little bit older truck, you may have some rusty hardware. You can use this hardware kit. It's an add-on drop down. And then if you have any vibration due to messing with the driveline angle, we have an optional 6575 transmission spacer that optimizes that driveline angle. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.